In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter Form 1095C without typing it line by line. If you received Form 1095C from your employer, the good news is that you usually do not need to manually enter every box exactly as it appears on the form. In many tax workflows, this form is mainly used to confirm your health insurance situation during the tax year, so the process is often much simpler than people expect. To get started, go to the health insurance section of your tax return. This is the area where the software asks about your medical coverage and whether you and anyone included on your return had health insurance during the year. If you are navigating through a menu, look for a section labeled Health Insurance, Medical Coverage, or something similar. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct place before moving on. Once you are there, the main thing you need to do is confirm your health coverage status for the tax year. In other words, you are answering the software's questions about whether you had qualifying health insurance coverage. If your Form 1095C shows that you were offered employer-sponsored coverage, that form helps support your answer, but you typically do not need to type the entire form into the system line by line. As you go through the questions, read each one carefully. The wording can vary depending on the tax software, but the goal is the same. Confirm whether you had coverage, whether it applied for the full year, and whether it covered everyone on your return if applicable. Answer based on your actual coverage situation during the tax year. If your software asks follow-up questions, continue through them slowly and make sure your responses match the information on your form. Even though you are not entering every detail from Form 1095C, it is still helpful to keep the form nearby so you can refer to it if needed. This can help you avoid mistakes and feel more confident that your return reflects the correct coverage information. The key takeaway here is that Form 1095C generally does not need to be typed in line by line. Instead, you use it as a reference while completing the health insurance section and confirming your health coverage status for the year. Once you have finished answering